This is the solution video to the puzzle that we call birthday candles.
So if you haven't already watched the video, what was it called? Adding the numbers.
The numbers from 1 to n or something.
From 1 to n, yeah. If you haven't already watched that video, please watch it. There'll be a link on the screen and in the bio below. Yeah, so in this puzzle, what I said was I've blown out 465 candles over the course of my lifetime. And the puzzle was, based on this fact, how old am I? So he's always judging my handwriting. Okay, so let's say I'm n years old. Okay, so n years old. I'm not slanting across the board, stop looking at my handwriting.
It's fine.
Right, okay, so in that other video, we found out that if you do n times n plus 1 divided by 2, that will give you the sum of the numbers from 1 to n. Okay, yeah. So we know in this problem that that's got to equal 465, right? So if we work backwards and we rearrange this, we can work out what n is and therefore how old I am. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So that's n times n plus 1 equals 465 times 2, which is 930. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, 930. Now there's 2 ways you could solve it from here. There's the horrible way and then there's the using your brain way, but I'll show you both. So you could either expand these brackets out and then you'd get n squared plus n equals 930, and then make the right hand side equal to 0, and then you've got a quadratic equation which you can solve. So we can factorise this. You'd get 2 solutions, but one of them you'd eliminate because it'd be a negative number, and I obviously can't be negative years old. This is vile. I wouldn't do this, but you can. Or there's the using your brain way. Matt, use your brain.
So, the thing is, this is just too complicated a method really for what we're dealing with. So, if you notice that this is some number times by the next number to make 930, what that tells you is that n is very close to the square root of 930, and because we know that 900 is 30 times 30, you can see pretty easily that n is going to be 30, and therefore n plus 1 is 31.
Yeah.
So
30 times 31 equals 930.
So the answer is n equals 30.
And that is how old I am. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.